guys, welcome to my DCcduino review. It's a Chinese Arduino Uno clone. So here it is, not too different from Arduino. It came with this 40-pin male header, and yep, here it is. I didn't count them, and a rather short USB cable, but I'm not complaining. It came cheap, so who cares? So it's not too different from an Uno from far, but if you look closely, there are some differences. From the back, no logos, just holes, mounting holes, I suppose that's what they're called. Same as on Arduino from this side, the ports. So here are the major differences if you look at the front face here. No big 80 mega microcontroller, and you have these holes again on the inside. They stand out from the normal Arduino. So here's a USB, standard and good quality, I suppose, but short still. And here are the pins. These two came in the packet, so here is the packet and not box, and yeah, that's it. So what I'm going to do now is connect it to the computer, and I'm going to use one hand because it's a one-handed affair. The other one is busy doing other things. Finally, I made it. So yeah, snag fit. Let's connect it. So yeah, it's on now. You can see a rather bright LED, yeah, a red one, and it's in a column with some resistors and a couple of other indicator LEDs, an RX one, and here is a LED that is usually connected to pin 13 in a normal Arduino. It's quite far, but I think they should have put it closer, but that's no problem. Here are the header pins, these are the rows, and if you look closely, I don't think you can see it, but they're connected to the female mounting holes in this one. And here are the holes from the back. And you can see a couple extra ones that are not in a normal Arduino Uno. I guess that's why they gave us this one, so that you know what to do with the holes. Holes are meant to be filled. I don't know. And it doesn't use a big 80 mega microcontroller. Guess that's why it's so cheap. So on to the programming now. Using official Arduino software, so it's compatible because it's thin. It's on COM3 right now. That means the computer is able to communicate with it. Yep, it's on and it's selected, so that means the software will also communicate the clone. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for a basic example here, a blink example. It's a rather short sketch. That's what you call programs in Arduino. So what I'm going to do now is just change this delay here, make it 3 seconds. So that's 3000 milliseconds. And I'm going to upload it now. And it's compiling. Compiling. uploading now, so that means it's sending the data to the Arduino. So it uploaded, and my Arduino now has some extras. So I connected this jumper cable to a resistor and that to an LED from pin 13, and from the LED I grounded it back onto the Arduino. That's the ground there. So as you can see, the LED I connected from pin 13 and the LED on the board right there, they are blinking simultaneously. Should I call it that, not in tandem? And yeah, so let's mess with the program a little bit. Okay, so now I've got two connections. As you can see, one from pin 12. So there's the 13 one going back to the LED. There it is. There is then from pin 12 to another LED. They're not connected, except they have a common ground there on the breadboard. You can see that's pin 13, pin 12. There are the resistors. And that's the common ground back to the board. So now I'm going to plug it in. Let's see. So it's blinking. That's the first sketch I uploaded. That's pin 13. It's blinking on and off. Nothing is happening to pin 12. So let's make something happen to LED 12 on pin 12. So I'm not going to do anything major. I'm just going to copy this declaration for pin 13. That's the pin mode declaration. I'm going to change it a bit. I'm going to copy it and paste it and change it to pin 12. So that's done. So I've also declared pin 12 as an output. To that, I'm going to take the main loop code. Here it is. That's for pin 13, the on and off loop. So I'm going to copy it and paste it still. Yeah, not trying to be neat. So we're going to take the declarations here, that's pin 13, change it to 12, and the digital write low also 12. So we upload it, and uploading, done. How fast? Because it already compiled it. So it's on, off. No, let's restart it so I can see it well. So that's the restart button. Reset whatever. So on, pin 13, 3 seconds off, 1 second off. On pin 12, 3 seconds, 1 second off, then pin 13 comes on. Then it's going to keep doing that forever. So now let's play with it a little bit. Let's change the time from 3 seconds to less than half a second. That's 300 milliseconds. Then the delay to just 100 milliseconds, and upload it. So you can see it's faster. So let's change it to 30, 10 milliseconds. So it's going to be much faster. Make the clone work faster anyway. So here it is. You can see the blinking is quite fast. And it's much faster. One LED is a lot brighter than the other. So the delay is going to be changed. I'm going to take out all the zeros now. Leave 3 milliseconds each and upload it. And you won't be able to say it. Oh, I think you can if you There's that slight variation. That slight variation, yeah, it could be persistence of vision. So thank you for watching. I'm Brian, and if you'd like to see any more of these reviews, you can tell me in the comments below. And see you later.